Eureka Surveys is a legitimate platform that allows you to earn money by participating in surveys, focus groups, and other market research activities. It's operated by Eureka Research and has been active since the early 2010s. As of December 2025, it's still a popular way to make some extra income. Expect to earn around $1 to $5 per survey, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You can access Eureka surveys via their website or mobile app available on iOS and Android. Registration is free. Simply create an account with your basic details and verify your email. Accurate profile information is important for survey matching. The platform uses AI to match you to relevant surveys, improving your chances of acceptance. To maximize your earnings on Eureka surveys, complete your profile fully with accurate details like age, income, and interests. Check the app daily for new surveys as they are time-sensitive and fill up quickly. Be honest with your responses to ensure completion and get better ratings for more invites. Low-quality responses can lead to disqualification. Join during peak times like weekdays and avoid multitasking while taking surveys. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold of $5, request a payout via PayPal. Processing usually takes 1 to 7 days, and users report high success rates. The online survey industry is evolving with trends like increased AI integration for personalized surveys and a focus on mobile-first experiences.